Thank you so much. In the category of district governance, now we are moving to Gold Scotch Award for Mr. Vivek Johnson, Chief Executive Officer. I request Mr. Vivek Johnson, if he is here with us, I request him to kindly be on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Vivek Johnson would be receiving this award for his organization, Zilla Parishad Chandrapur, for Mission Saksham, making education inclusive for CWSM.
Do tell us about the project.
Hello everyone, I am Vivek Johnson, CEO Jilla Parishad Chandrapur, district in Maharashtra. First of all, I would like to thank the Scotch group and also the entire jury for promoting and recognizing our work. And I would like to dedicate the award to our Jilla Parishad, especially the education team and my then education officer Rajkumar Hivre and all the people who has done a tremendous work to the mission to be happened. I will just shortly brief what we have done. The Mission Saksham, that is an initiative for CWSN students, that is a child with special needs. So we have, through Mission Saksham, we have taken a step towards inclusive education of child with special needs. So if you see the current curriculum, current education system, there is a big gap how to incorporate the child who have differentially able into the normal education system. So whenever I used to have my field visit, there were many students who are left apart, especially who are visually impaired, who have hearing disabilities. They are left apart and they are out of the mainstream education process. So we developed Mission Saksham for tackling that process, and there was a systematic and institutionalized process that was incorporated by Jilla Parishad Chandrapur, especially through the education office as well as the district training center. So what we did was that we analyzed, line listed the CWSN students. We categorized them into various categories. And also we did baseline survey, midline survey and endline survey so as to see how the progress is. So in that, the major step was taken by the education department, the teachers, the parents, because we normally neglect the parents. So what we have done that we have arranged and organized special training section for the parents also. And we had a 50 and 70 days workshop and process in order to boost up the talents of the CWSN students. And we divided them to three categories, which is the educational support category, integrated category, and inclusive category. So there is a technical classification of CWSN students in which mostly Chandrapur has pioneered the classification of CWSN students and how to evaluate them on basis of outcome based. So generally we don't do that. So in that, the inclusive category includes the students who have profound differentially able and who never go to school. So I would be very happy to announce that almost 57 students after the efforts who have never went to school started going to school due to this initiative. So that was the initiative taken by district Jilla Parishad Chandrapur, and we have developed a app-based software so as to make it very institutional and sustainable in nature, and it should not be a officer-dependent initiative. And also the education department, Maharashtra, has adopted and appreciated what we have done in the Jilla Parishad Chandrapur. If you, just my education officer, if you want to add.
थैंक यू सर. हमें इसकी बहुत सी ये है कि शिक्षा से जीवन में परिवर्तन होता है. इसी बात को मद्देनज़र रहते हुए जिला परिषद चंद्रपुर और शिक्षा विभाग और डायट चंद्रपुर के ओर से पिछले 2 साल से CWSN बच्चों के लिए जो अपने घर में वैसा बच्चा ना हो, इसकी प्रार्थना हम सब करते हैं. जिसके घर में अगर बच्चा हो गया वो क्या करेगा. इस तरह से उन बच्चों में डेवलपमेंट लाने के लिए, एजुकेशन क्वालिटी लाने के लिए, FLN लाने के लिए हमने पिछले 2 साल से हमारे CEO सर विवेक जॉनसन सर, इनके मार्गदर्शन से हम काम कर रहे हैं. सबसे पहले बच्चों का लाइन लिस्टिंग करना, उसके बाद में टीचर्स लोगों को ट्रेनिंग देना, ट्रेनिंग के बाद में बच्चों की बेस लाइन टेस्ट लेना, मिड लाइन टेस्ट लेना, एंड लाइन टेस्ट लेना. उस दरम्यान उन बच्चों में 3 प्रकार के कैटेगराइज में हमने वर्गीकरण किए थे. वो 3 ही प्रकार के कैटेगराइज किए हुए बच्चों को किस तरह से अध्ययन अध्यापन देना कि उन बच्चों में डेवलपमेंट आ सके, इस तरह सा काम हमारे चंद्रपुर में किया गया है। इसका परिणाम ऐसा हुआ कि हमको पिछले साल 22-23 में भी बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला। 57 बच्चे जो होम बेस में थे, जो स्कूल में नहीं आ सकते थे, वो बच्चे डेली स्कूल में आने लगे। ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट हमारा था। FLN तो आ ही जाएगा, लेकिन वो जो बच्चे स्कूल के लाइन से जो दूर निकल चुके थे, वो बच्चे स्कूल में आए। इस साल में भी हमारा इतना अच्छा फ़ायदा हमको मिला, परिणाम हमको मिला कि वो CWSN बच्चों में ओपन कंपटीशन करने की अभी स्थिति आ गई। नवोदय बच्चों के कंपटीशन, ओपन बच्चों में CWSN के बच्चे भी कंपटीशन में आ गए। CWSN का बच्चा ओपन में आके वो जनरल बच्चों के साथ में नवोदय विद्यालय है या उसी के साथ में शिष्यवृत्ति की एग्ज़ाम है, उन बच्चों में अभी प्रगति आ रही है। ये हमारे ख्याल से ये मिशन सक्षम का ही कमाल है। हमारे मिशन सक्षम को स्कॉच ग्रुप ने सिलेक्ट किया और गोल्डन अवार्ड दिया। इसके प्रति मैं चंद्रपुर जिला परिषद की ओर से मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ, हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
I must tell you, I think this is probably the first effort at a district level that we've seen for children with special needs. And I think we need it in every district. It should be replicated.